Holistic massage, otherwise more commonly known as Swedish, is the most popular form of massage. It originates from Greece and is a full-body massage which is performed directly onto the skin with oil and works on each part of the body individually. A variety of strokes are used, comprising of 5 main massage movements, which when combined together relieve muscular discomfort and stress, creating internal balance and a general sense of overall well-being in the mind and body. The benefits of holistic massage include stress reduction, relief from muscular discomfort, improved relaxation, increased removal of toxins, and improved posture, better sleep, more effective breathing, and improved circulation and concentration.